Hello everyone, I Sampada Tiwari would like to introduce you for the project presentation. My team includes I Sampada Tiwari, the leader of the team. My teammates are Miss Habiba Ansari, Miss Pratima Jadhav and Miss Pooja Rajguru. Our group guide is Mr. Raviraj Jain sir. Our group number is 3. Let's go forward with the presentation. These are my top 5 project ideas which we have already thought of. First project is a driver anti-slip device. Second one is wrong posture muscle strain detector. Third one is mining worker safety helmet. Fourth one is digital IC tester. And fifth one is fruit color sorter machine. These are my 5 parameters and their subparameters, from which we are getting our decision matrix analysis table. So our 5 parameters are resource availability. Second one is timely completion. Third one is cost. Fourth one is knowledge impact, and fifth one is social aspect. This is my decision matrix analysis table. So from this table, we will getting our first final project. So in left side, these are my 5 projects, and from right side, these are the scores. We have given weightage to every parameter. So for cost, we have given the weightage 5%. For timely completion, we have given the weightage 20%. For resource availability, we have given the weightage of 25%. For knowledge impact, we have given the weightage of 25%. And for social aspect, we have given the weightage of 25%. So, our first project is driver anti-slip device. First parameter is template completion, and these are the 5 sub-parameters. First one is time to learn new technology. So, the technology is new to learn, so we have to give it score 0. If it is already thought of, so we have to give it score 1. Time for sourcing the components. If the components is available in the local area, so we have to score 1. And if it is not available, so we have to give it score 0. Third one is external dependency. If we have not dependent on any other third party, so we have to give it score 1, or otherwise we have to give it score 0. Time for sourcing tools. If we are getting much time for sourcing software or hardware tools, so we have to give it score 0. And if it is available, so we have to give it score 1. Time for survey. If the survey is getting earlier and we are doing it in time, so we have to give it score 1, otherwise score 0. Second parameter is resource availability, and these are their 5 sub-parameters. First is mentor availability. If mentor is available, so we have to give it score 1, otherwise 0. And second is the literature availability. If literature is available in Google, in any books, so we have to give it score 1, and if it is not, so we have to give it score 0. Third one is components availability. If the components are available in local areas nearby us, so we have to give it score 1, and if it is not, so we have to give it 0. Software hardware tools. If the tools are available, so we have to give it score 1, otherwise 0. Training. We have not required any training, so we have to give it score 1. And we have required the training, and if it is available, so also we have to give it score 1, otherwise 0. Third one is social aspect, and these are the 5 sub-parameters. First one is ease in operability. If the project is easy, so we have to give it 1, otherwise we have to give it score 0. Second one is sustainability. If the project have not much maintenance, so we have to give it score 1, otherwise we have to give it score 0. Universal application. If the project is universally applicable for any other area, so we have to give it score 1, otherwise we have to give it score 0. Fourth is eco-friendly. If my project is not harming any environment or e-waste thing, so we have to give it score 0, otherwise we have to give it score 1. Fourth one is alignment, compliance with government policies. We have not required any government policies, so we have to give it 0. Fourth one is knowledge impact. Uh, and these are the 5 subparameters. From these controllers, if we required any of the controllers, so we have to give it 1, otherwise 0. Second one is protocol implementation. If we don't have required any implementation, so we have to give it score 0. If we have required it, so we have to give it 1. Android app development. If we don't want any Android app, or we want it but it is available, so we have to give it score 0. Otherwise, if we don't have and we have to make it, so we have to give it 1. Interdisciplinary. If we don't want it, so we have given it 0. If we want, we have given it. Fifth parameter is IoT. In our project, if we require some IoT, some AI, some machine learning, so we have to give it 1. And if we not required, so we have to give it 0. Last parameter is cost. We have given 8 subparameters to cost, from which we are getting one final cost of our first project. First one is cost of components. We have given it cost of 4,000. Second one is cost of training. We have given it cost of 500. Third one is cost of survey. We have given it cost of 1,000 rupees. Cost of mentoring. We have given it cost of 500 rupees. Fifth one is cost of enclosure or fabrication. We have given is cost of 1,000 rupees. Uh, Sixth one is report preparation. We have given the cost at 3,500. Seventh one is cost of publication and presentation. We have given the cost is 1,000 rupees. And the last one is PCB costing. We have given the cost of 2,000 rupees, and from which we are getting 13,500 cost of our first project. So these are the 5 parameters and the subparameters of our first project. And from this we have scored 3.5% in our first project. So next project is wrong posture muscle strain detector. This project will be explained by Pooja Raj.
So hello, myself Pooja. So these are my 5 parameters and subparameters. So for project we did our subparameters and gave in favor, and one which is given, which is not. As I told, for every project I have given parameters. So this is the second muscle strain detector. I have given the scores as 1 and 0. So let's discuss in short. So in time comprehension, if we are not getting time and it takes too much time, so I have given 0. Let's see, like that here in time learn new technology. So learning new technology is good, but we don't have much time, so we have given 0. Like that in components, if components are available easily, so I have given 1. So like that I have given scores in can't do like ourselves, so I have given 1. Components which is available. So like that fabrication facilities, we don't, in every project we don't need fabric facilities. Like that, and like this. In cost we have searched a lot, and just like that we have done mining worker safety helmet, that too. So let's see. Social aspect. Social aspect is something ease of operating. We are new in this field, so if we are making something which is new for us, so it is like it is not easy to operate that thing, so we have given 0. Like that we have given all average scores. So let's thank you.
Fourth project, which is digital IC tester, which we have given each parameter subparameter, like time to learn new technology. We have decided 1 and 0 points, like we have available within us or parameters. So we have given 1, and we, if particular source is not available within us or not applicable, then we have given it as 0. As per the all sub parameters, we have decided the cost of the total project is 14,000. And next project, which is fruit color sorting machine, in which we have given marks according to the sub parameters, like we have sourcing, components, and all availability within us. The cost of the project is 14,600.
So now you can see the matrix table, the scores of the project. The highest score is 3.85%, which is the project of fruit color sorter machine. So, with the help of our matrix table and our parameters and subparameters, we have got our final one, which is fruit color sorter machine. Thank you.